Hello friends, we are going to study delta to star conversion. While calculating equivalent resistance, when there would be a complex kind of structure, then we can convert from delta to star and we can easily calculate equivalent resistance. Coming to the topic delta to star conversion, let us assume we have three impedance Z1, Z2 and Z3. And we are converting this delta to star. Star means I'm just making here star with the help of this dotted line in delta. So here I'm taking ZA, ZB and ZC. The what will be value of ZA? It is very easy. ZA is nothing but it is coming between Z1 and Z2. So ZA will be equal to Z1 Z2 upon Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. In the same way, we can write ZB. ZB is where? In between Z2 and Z3. It means Z2 Z3 upon Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. And we can find out value of ZC is equal to ZC is coming between Z1 and Z3. Z1 Z3 upon Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. If we are having impedances Z1, Z2, Z3 same is equal to Z. Z1 is equal to Z2 is equal to Z3 is equal to Z. Then what will be the value of ZA? The value of ZA is equal to what? Z square upon Z plus Z plus Z. It means Z square upon 3Z, Z cancel out. The value of ZA will be equal to Z by 3. It means whenever we are converting from delta to star, the value of impedance is going to reduce. And here if the impedances value are same, the equivalent star is coming out to be 1 by 3 times of Z. So we are getting here whenever we are converting from delta to star, I am pointing out here the value of impedance will the value of impedance will decrease. We are taking 3 resistor R1, R2, R3 connected in delta and we are converting to star. So we will be taking the help of impedance. It means whatever was the formula, ZA was equal to your Z1, Z2 upon Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. We know that the value of Z1 is equal to R1, the value of Z2 is equal to R2, the value of Z3 is equal to R3. Put all this value here. Then what will the value of RA is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2 plus R3. Same way value of RB will be equal to R2 R3 upon R1 plus R2 plus R3. Value of RC will be equal to, RC is coming in between R1 and R3, then R1 R3 upon R1 plus R2 plus R3. And if the value of resistor will be same, it means R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 will be R, then the RC will be equal to R square upon 3R. R is equal to RB is equal to RC will be same and this will be R by 3. It means as like impedance, the value of resistance is also decreased by 3 times when we are converting 3 resistances connected in delta to star. As like resistor, now we are having 3 inductor. The value of inductances L1, L2 and L3 are connected in delta and we are converting to star LA, LB and LC. So what will be the value of LA, LB, LC? We know that the value of Z1 will be equal to j omega L1, Z2 is equal to j omega L2, Z3 is equal to j omega L3. And we know the formula in terms of impedance. What will be the value of ZA? ZA will be equal to, ZA comes in between the L1 and L2. So Z1, Z2 upon Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. And replacing the value j omega L1 into j omega L2 upon j omega L1 plus j omega L2 plus j omega L3. We will take the common j omega and j omega cancel out and one j omega will be remaining, and we can write here L1 L2 upon L1 plus L2 plus L3 into j omega. Here we will be writing j omega into LA. J omega cancel out. The value of LA will be equal to L1 L2 upon L1 plus L2 plus L3. In the same way, we can write here the value of LB is equal to, LB comes in between L2 and L3. So L2 L3 upon L1 plus L2 plus L3. In terms of LC is equal to, LB is equal to L2 L3 upon L1 plus L2 plus L3, and LC will be equal to, LC comes in between L1 and L3, so L1 L3 upon L1 plus L2 plus L3. If the value of inductor will be same, it means L1 is equal to L2 is equal to L3 is equal to L. Then the value of LA is equal to LB is equal to LC is equal to L square upon 3L. LL cancel out and LA comes to be L by 3. It means the value of inductance is decreased by 3 times. We have seen how we converted delta to star in terms of resistance and inductance. Now we are having three capacitance value of C1, C2 and C3 connected in delta, and we are converting this into star, CA, CB and CC. The value of CA will be what? The value of CB will be what? The value of CC will be what? We know the formula in terms of impedance. In terms of impedance, when we are converting this delta to star, then the value of ZA will be equal to Z1 Z2 upon Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3, and the value of Z1 we know from here minus j upon omega C1. So this will be equal to minus j upon omega C1 into minus j upon omega C1 upon minus j upon omega C1 plus minus j upon omega C2 plus minus j upon omega C3. And right now we will be taking the common minus j upon omega C1 into minus j upon omega C1 C2. Now we have three capacitor, the capacitance value of C1, C2 and C3. Now we want to convert this delta connection to star connection, and we are taking help of impedance, and we know the value of ZA will be equal to Z1 Z2 upon Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. We can write ZA is equal to minus j upon omega CA is equal to, Z1 will be equal to minus j upon omega C1, Z2 will be equal to minus j upon omega C2 and Z3 will be equal to minus j upon omega C3. Putting all these values, plus next we will be taking common minus j upon omega from here, minus j upon omega will be cancelled out and 1 is remaining. So here minus j upon omega C A will be equal to this. We can write minus j upon omega C2 into C1. This will be in nominator and in denominator it will be equal to, we will be taking common is equal to C1 C2 C3, C1 C2 C3, and here it will comes C2 C3 plus C1 C3 plus C1 C2. And this time minus j upon omega will be cancelled out and we can write 1 upon Ca will be equal to 1 upon C1 C2 into, this will go into the nominator, C1 C2 C3 upon C1 C2 plus C1 C3 plus C2 C3, and this will give 1 upon Ca will be equal to C3 upon C1 C2 plus C1 C3 plus C2 C3. It means the value of Ca will be equal to C1 plus C2 plus C1 C2 upon C3. In the same way, we can write the value of Cb and Cc. Here, the value of Ca is coming out to be C1 plus C2 plus C1 C2 by C3, means this plus multiplication of these two upon C3. So it's very simple to remember. And if the value of capacitance will be same and that will be equal to C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3 is equal to C, then we are getting here what? C is equal to C plus C square by C. It means 3C. When we are converting three equal value of capacitances into star, then the value of capacitance is increasing. So always remember, while converting delta to star, the value of resistance will decrease, the value of inductance will decrease, but in case of capacitor it will increase always. To understand star to delta and delta to star conversion, we will understand through two examples. And we need not to remember the formulas. Here, this pi model has to be converted into this nominal T model. But if you will see in terms of star and delta, this is your delta. Like how? If you will just make like this, what is this delta? Yes, this is delta. So, we will be connecting directly here. The star model will be like this. And I am representing here R1 is this, R2 is this, and R3 is this. The value of R1 will be what? We know the formula. While converting delta to star, the value of R1 will be equal to, multiply these two, 2 into 1 upon, add all these three, 1 plus 2 plus 3. In the same way, what will the value of R2? Multiply these two, then divide by all the three, is equal to, R2 will be equal to 2 into 3 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3, and the value of R3 will be equal to 1 into 3 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3. Next question is this: 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 3 ohm, these three resistors are connected in star. Now what will be the value of your R1? This. So the value of this R1 value will be equal to this 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 into 3 upon 2. The value of R2 will be equal to, how much? 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 2 into 3 upon 3. And the value of R3 will be equal to, R3 comes here, 2 plus 3 plus 2 into 3 upon 3. So here are all these value of R1, R2 and R3 without remembering the formula. We are going to understand one more example to understand star to delta and delta to star conversion very easy way. Consider the delta connected circuit is converted into star as shown in below. This delta is converted into star. If all the elements of delta connected are scaled by a factor k, when k is greater than 0, the element of corresponding star equivalent will be scaled by a factor. So, before solving this question, we have to understand what the question is asking. The question is asking, if we will be multiplying by k times here, then what will be the effect on these three values? So, we know first the conversion. What will be the value of RA? The value of RA will be multiplication of RA and RB upon RA plus RB plus RC. This is without multiplying K. And right now, what we are doing is, we are multiplying by K in each resistor. Then this value will be changed. This value will be RA dash, RC dash and RB dash. So, we are putting the value of RA dash. RA dash will be equal to K times of RA into K times of RB upon K times of RA plus K times of RB plus K times of RC. So, the value of RA dash will be equal to K square RA RB upon K into RA plus RB plus RC. K and K will be cancelled out. Then the value of RA dash will be equal to what? This is the value of your what? RA. So K times of RA. It means if you are scaling with K here, then here it is also scaled by K. So option will be A. Thank you.